back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys how you can customize your iPad. It's actually very easy. It's just a little bit time consuming. So let's get started into the video. So I'm screen recording from my iPad right now. This is what my home screen looks like. I just decided to go with like a very earthy neutral tones. Let me show you guys what you need to do first. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go into your settings, and you also want to update your iPad into the new update. So you're going to go to general, software update, and then it's going to check that you have your update. I already have it. And then you want to download the app Widgetsmith. So as that is downloading, you can just go to Pinterest and actually start picking the photos that you want to use. I'm just doing a very like minimalist theme, nothing too much. So I already picked my photo and this is what it looks like. So let me show you guys how I got there. So I'm going to go into the Widgetsmith app and I'm going to select, so originally it looks like this once you open up the app. These are your options. So we're just going to add a small Widgetsmith, and I'm just going to go into the top one. You're going to tap on it and then it's going to take you to the very top one. So it's going to ask you, it's going to ask you what you want to choose, or like what you want to see at the very top. So I am going to just choose the sunrise time. So sunrise, my location is Florida. My font, I'm just going to pick New York because all of these just look a little not as cute. And then the tint color, you can do so many different colors. I'm just going to choose a black. You can also do a different color for the actual background color. And I'm just going to stick to cream. Whoops, I think I changed it. Sorry about that. Let's see, background color, it's on cream. My border color is all of these really fun highlighted colors, but I'm just going to stick to black. And then the system format, for the time, you could do the 24-hour, but I'm just going to do the regular like 12-hour. And then you're going to click save, and once you save, it's going to show up clearly. It's the 7:19 a.m. when the sunrise is going to go up. And then I'm going to go into my medium widget. For the medium widget, I decided to do the day and the date, and then it's the same pattern all throughout, just so it's all the same and it all coordinates. So I'm going to choose the New York font. The tint color is going to be black. The background color is going to be cream. Our border color will be black as well. So once you get the hang of actually, selecting your theme, what you're going to do is you're going to actually hold down your finger to the center of your screen, and then it's actually going to look like this. And this is actually when you customize how you want it to look. So we're going to click on plus. So let me just take all of these away so you guys can see how I actually customize them. So I'm going to, I'm holding down my finger. I'm doing the plus. I'm going to do a small widget, which would be my date, I think. I'm going to do another widget. I'm going to select small, and I'm just going to swipe and add a medium widget, which is my month and day. I'm also going to do another widget, which was the calendar. You can select different ones, but I'm just going to do this small one because it just shows me like the very top or the very first event that I have going on for the following day. This one, I don't know why. Oh, you can select from 1 or 2, but the widget that I want is the first one. So you can have multiple ones that are the same size. You just have to label them so you really know which one you're selecting. As you saw right here, I'm going to do it again. The small widget number 2 is actually just a plain, I don't know why this came up. It's just like a regular date, but that's not what I want because I already have a date. So let me hold down my finger onto the center of the screen again. So I'm just going to edit it, and how I edit that widget, I just tap on it. So I'm tapping on it, I'm selecting the number 1, and then now it's done. I'm going to add another widget, and that is going to be my reminders instead. And my reminders, I just like to do it because it kind of goes along with the calendar and all that stuff. It just lets me know what I need to do. And you can add more things to it, but I kind of like how this is looking because the color scheme kind of goes a little bit like my appointment kind of goes with the orange on the reminders, and the color scheme just goes with it. So now I'm going to click home, and now you just see basically the customized widgets that I just put on there. And then you can obviously organize your apps however you'd like. I just have them in order of kind of how often I use them, and then I'm just going to edit my home screen, and I'm going to remove these. Actually, I'm going to go into my settings, and I'm going to go into home screen and dock. So I'm going to remove this. So now I just have the 4 apps at the very bottom, and I have folders for everything on the next slide. I don't really like to have too much, but the very bottom ones are the ones that I use the most. So this is what I have. Very, very quick video, very easy and direct. I just wanted my iPad to be as simple and as productive as it could have it. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to leave a comment down below to let me know how you enjoyed this kind of video, and if you would like to see more of me and what you would like to see from my next video.